Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to make your Google search engine in a dark mode. For example, if you can see that already, it's the Google itself is on light mode, which what I mean by that is white in all stature. If I search for something, it's also searching in light, and I'm going to tell you a method. It's a very quick method through which you can make this whole thing into dark mode. And dark mode essentially smoothens your eyes and makes it easy for you to work. Especially you should use dark mode if you are mostly a night worker, because at daytime light is good, but at night you need some dark mode to work on it. So when you're on Google, make sure you are on Google's main page. So this is the Google's main page, where you can see each and everything at its position. What you have to do is look for the lower bar. So this is the lower bar. There are multiple options in it. The country is shown here, about, advertising, business, and on the right side, on the right lower corner, there's a privacy, there are terms, but on the right lower corner we have to see an option called settings. All you have to do is click on settings, and in here there's an option called dark theme. So dark theme is currently is off. So what I will be doing is click on this option, and boom, you can see this whole page turned black. So this is the method on how you can turn the whole Google page into dark mode. For example, if I search anything, automatically it will keep everything in dark mode, and the writings will turn into white, which were opposite in the earlier option where we have a light mode on. So this is a very basic video on how you can turn your Google search engine into dark mode if you're mostly a night worker. And if you think this video really resonates with what you have been doing and what you wanted to look for, and if you find this video really helpful, make sure to like this video and leave it like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you on the video. Keep visiting Tigez Schooling.